How to fix Snip Sketch crashes on Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Windows has a built-in tool to diagnose and automatically fix potential problems with store apps. By running the troubleshooter, Windows can identify any issues with Snip Sketch or its related components and offer potential solutions. Graphics drivers interact directly with apps that use visual components. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause Snip Sketch crashes. Expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and wait. Once done, restart your computer. If Snip Sketch is behaving erratically, resetting the app can restore its default settings and resolve underlying issues. SFC and DISM are tools that can repair corrupted system files that might be causing Snip Sketch crashes. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If all else fails, uninstalling and then reinstalling the app can fix any persistent issues by providing a fresh installation.